Nigeria recently signed the Africa Free Continental Area Agreement alongside some other African countries. To benefit from that agreement, speakers at this forum said strategic collaboration to position the pharmaceutical industry will go a long way from preventing Nigeria as a dumping ground for fake medicines.
It is worrisome to note that as a country, we are overdependent on imported and donor medicines to satisfy the essential medicine needs of our rapidly growing population, which today stands at about 200 million people. While our facilities, which are over 120 of them in Nigeria alone, are grossly underutilized. Honorable Ministers, it is on this note that we strongly propose that local pharmaceutical industry should be prioritized. Local pharmaceutical manufacturers expansion and export intervention fund of 300 billion. What is this fund for? This fund is to enable us to upgrade our factories, increase our capacity, and achieve the National Drug Policy of 2005 as amended, which recommended that 70% of products to be consumed in Nigeria should be manufactured locally. Number two, we would like to request through our DG for a careful working with all stakeholders in pharma, importers inclusive. We also pray that government should sustain the zero tariff or impose the zero tariff for pharmaceutical raw materials and packaging materials, such that we will increasingly produce drugs at an affordable level.
And if India can succeed, Nigeria can also do it.
It doesn't matter how much we talk, without a strong regulatory system, we cannot have a strong farmer. How do we have a strong regulatory system? It's to build internal capacity. And how do we get that? Is to think of the customer first in whatever we are doing internally.
Let us make use of what we have. Let us also reach out, even to our herbal practitioners. All we want to be sure of is that we can establish the efficacy and the safety of the drugs available to us.
It is not just a health security challenge, it is a national security issue if we cannot produce our own medicines, take care of this growing population.
The Minister of State for Health, Adeleke Mamora, used the occasion to appeal to all actors to play down on inter- and intra-sector rivalry.
We need to work together in unity of purpose. Part of the bane of the health sector is inter and intra-professional rivalry within the sector. It weighs us down. What are the key enablers for good relationship? The first is cooperation. Second is collaboration. Third one is coordination. The fourth one is consultation.
The Nigerian Pharma Manufacturing Expo is a biannual event jointly organized by indigenous manufacturers and foreign partners every 2 years to provide a platform for networking.